Patience and fortitude conquer all things. A warm smile is the universal language of kindness. You are capable of amazing things. It's easy to stand with the crowd. It takes courage to stand alone. Knowledge is like a treasure. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. It is not joy that makes us grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful. Gratitude is the foundation of happiness. Be brave, be creative, be kind, be thankful, be happy, be you. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Be so happy that when other people look at you, they become happy too. Learn something new today. You were never meant to fit in, but to stand out. It makes a big difference in your life when you stay positive. Do your bit every day. Contribute to nature as much as you can. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. Let us begin. If nothing ever changed, there would be no butterflies. It takes courage to grow up and become who you really are. Push today for what you want tomorrow. Every morning is a new opportunity to do the things you missed yesterday. Don't be discouraged. It's often the last key in the bunch that opens the lock. Every day is an opportunity to have a fresh start. Celebrate the small things, and lives will become bigger than ever. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. When we are open to new possibilities, we find them. Be open and skeptical of everything. Alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Success is the result of your repeated efforts. Always have goals in life, both short term and long term. When you are grateful, fear disappears and abundance appears. Strive to be the best version of yourself every day. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. The power of imagination makes us infinite. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.